Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. I bought an axe, a small hatchet for my walking holiday in Sweden, and I'm going to unbox it for you guys. Already a little bit of wood chipping came out of the box. So let's see. First we have a knives and tools promotion book. I also ordered a sharpening puck. Let's see. Just your average sharpening puck for sharpening your axe. And then we come to the most exciting part. I waited for this axe all day. Let's see. It's the Adler Rheinland hatchet. You also have a scout hatchet, but I like the Adler Rheinland hatchet a bit more. So I bought it. And let's see how it looks. It's in a nice box. Let's open it. And there we have it. In some wood shavings. Adler uses their wood shavings to pack their axes. So that's nice. That's nice reuse of stuff. Let's uncover the hatchet. Nice black handlebar with a green ring. I chose green. You can also choose a red and I think blue. So that's nice. So you've got a choice of color, but I like the green because of course nature. And the rest of the hatchet. It's nice. It looks amazing. I really like the looks of it. So let's see, get the wood shavings off. Let's put this box away. So, at first we're gonna read the card. The weight of the head is 600 grams. The length of it is 36 centimeters. Steel C90 and of course hickory wood. The lining of the wood is in the right way, so it makes it strong. Let's see, do we have more interesting info on the card? Yeah, it's made in Germany, of course. It's from Adler, so that's a German axe making company. And that's it. Okay, so we've got this nice leather loop on it with an Adler tag. Perfect, beautiful. And then we've got this leather sheath. Let's open it up. Perfect. Nice, get the wood chippings off. Beautiful. There's some kind of glue here. I don't know why, but okay. This gripping is nice. It's nice and it's nice and grippy. Nice Adler logo, made in Germany, of course. Yes, you've got the axe head. It's nice and wide. Holding it like for smaller woodwork is also nice because of this little hole to put your finger in. You can use it for small woodwork. The axe head is attached to it by a wood thing and a wood and a metal pin. Yeah, I think it's nice and secure, but we'll find that out during the years. Yeah, I think that's everything I can say about it. This is nice and grippy. I like the grip paint. It's nice. It's good to hold. And I can't wait to chop some pieces of wood with it. So Let's go.